What you're looking at is burned milk. And what you do, you heat it, use a brush, and go at it. And it will get it off. It's burned milk. So that is how you clean them. I will show you how clean it is after I finish. This is after about 30 seconds, hot water. We will continue. Okay, we added one drop of soap to speed it up, obviously, and you can see it's going away. The soap really helped, but if you don't have soap, it's okay. If you are camping or whatever, you can still clean without the soap, but the soap speeds it up. This was burned milk. It's a very nasty burn. I'm going to say this is as good as I'm going to get, or close to as good. Okay, you can continue and get it better and better, but you get the idea. Good luck. Okay, the top stain right here, you wet it. By the way, this was the result. We did finish it with this for about 3 seconds. Then you wet it over here. You get the blade right here. And the blade needs to be new. No chemicals, nothing. That's just water on it. If you added soap to it, might be better. I don't know, but water will do. The work is being done by the blade. Here's this part right here. It's still hot. Let's see. It's just a blade. You scrape it off, okay? Bye. Here's the tough part right here. I'm working one-handed, so I'm about to finish the video. Camera is shaking too much. It's going to be a part of it. We're going to work on this one because it's not hot. Try to have a nice blade, okay? Good luck.